sometimes you have to go back and be like, oh, I was wrong about what was noise and what was signal, you know? And I especially find it funny when they're like, oh, let's only study one sex of the species for this experiment.
Right.
Should
Why
we
not?
study the female, which is phylogenetically and evolutionarily way older of a system than the male that was brought on later when we sexually dimorphized is a weird choice, I think. But we also we would have discovered epigenetics like 50 or 70 years earlier if we had stopped taking the protein casings off of DNA when we went to go study DNA, because we thought that protein around it was noise when actually it was a very important part of the signaling process. And now we know it's part of epigenetics.
Can I just tell you how ignorant I feel right now?
I just read an interesting article about epigenetics and the transfer of trauma, and how they've pretty much proved that it's actually genetic, through expression through epigenetics. It was really interesting to read that.
Yeah. So like your DNA, your genome is a kind of hardware, and we have like software written on that hardware, and you can epigenetically change the software without rewriting like we thought if two things have the completely same genome, they must be completely the same thing, and epigenetics is teaching us that that's not true.